In this video, I'll show you how to export price from using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Let's get started. This is our overview screen. To export the price, click the Operations button on your instance. When you click it, a pop-up will open that contains all the operations supported by the TeqStars connector. For this video, we'll focus on exporting price. To export the price, click Export and select the operation type Export Price. Before we start, let me explain some of the connector's configuration options related to price. For this, close the pop-up and click the instance name. The instance level configuration will open. For price, click the Product tab. Here you'll find the price list. When we export the price, it is configured from the price list, based on your instance configuration. Here you can see Export Odoo Product Sale Price. When this option is enabled, the connector exports the Odoo product sale price directly, bypassing the price list. When this option is disabled, it exports the price list price. We also provide real-time price export from Odoo to Shopify. For this, you need to enable one configuration. Here you can see the option Real-time Price Sync to Shopify. Enable this option to automatically update product prices in Shopify in real time whenever prices are changed in Odoo, including sale price or price list updates. One more automatic way to update the price is available, which exports the price from Odoo to Shopify based on your configuration. For this, click the Automatic Jobs tab available in the upper tabs. Here you'll see the action Export Product Sale Price. Based on your requirements, you can update the price in minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months. Here you can see this selection. To use it, you need to enable this configuration. Now click here and save this configuration. To go to the overview screen, click here. Now click Operations and the wizard will open. Here you need to change Import to Export and select Export Prices. When you select this option, an option becomes visible called Last Price Updated On. Here you need to add the date and time after which you want to update the price. When you add the date and time and click Process, all the products whose price was updated after this selected date and time will be updated in Shopify. Let me give you an example to explain this properly. For this, close the pop-up and open any listing that is already exported. Click here and open the listing view. Now open any one listing. Click the Variant tab. Here you can see the price that was exported. Before I change anything, let me open this listing in our store. Click the Show in Marketplace button and open it. I've already opened it. Here you can see the listing price. Now let me change the price and export it. For this, go back to our ERP. For this product, I'll update the sale price. Click here and open this listing Odoo product. Here you can see the sale price. Click here and update the sale price. Now, to open this Odoo product listing, click here. Here you can see the price was updated. Now go to the overview screen. Click Operations and you'll see the wizard open. Now change Import to Auto, select the operation Export Price, and set the date here. Now that everything is set properly, click Process. When the process is completed, the wizard closes automatically. Now let's check the price in the real store. I've already opened this product, so I'll just refresh the page. Click here and refresh this page. Once the process is completed, the price is changed. Here you can see the price was updated. That's all about how to export price from Odoo to Shopify using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.